Welcome back, everyone. We've started a special 60-day exercise series for seniors to keep you active, mobile, and strong. Today is day 23, so grab your chair, find a comfortable spot, and let's move together. If you're new here, this series is designed especially for seniors over 60, so join us and make every day a step toward better balance and strength. Exercise 1. Seated leg raises, 50 reps. All right, my wonderful seniors, let us begin our first exercise for today, seated leg raises. This exercise is excellent for improving your leg strength, balance, and circulation. So, sit comfortably on your sturdy chair. Make sure your back is straight and your feet are flat on the floor. Hold the sides of your chair gently for support. Now take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and get ready to move with me. We will lift one leg at a time, hold it for a moment, and bring it back down slowly. Remember, slow and steady movement helps your muscles stay strong and flexible. If you are ready, let us begin counting together, nice and easy. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You are doing great. Keep your legs moving. Keep your breathing steady. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Halfway there now. How are you feeling so far? Feel that gentle burn in your thighs. That is your strength building up. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Take a deep breath. Stay tall and proud in your seat. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. You are doing so well. Do not stop now. Tell me in the comments from which country you are watching. I love seeing seniors from all over the world staying active together. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Almost done. Keep going strong. Lift that leg, hold it, and bring it down slowly. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Only 5 more to go. You can do this. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Wonderful job. You have just completed 50 seated leg raises. Take a moment to breathe and feel that energy flowing through your legs. This simple movement helps improve your mobility, reduces stiffness, and keeps your legs strong for everyday activities. Be proud of yourself for showing up today and taking care of your health. Every repetition counts toward your independence and confidence. Exercise 2. Sit to stand, chair squats. 50 repetitions. All right, my amazing seniors, it is time for our second exercise, sit to stand, also known as chair squats. This movement is one of the best exercises for improving your leg strength, balance, and overall mobility. It helps you perform daily activities like sitting, standing, and walking with ease. First, make sure your chair is placed on a flat and stable surface. Sit down comfortably with your feet shoulder-width apart and your back straight. Cross your arms in front of your chest. Now, when you stand up, use the power of your legs, not your hands. Stand up fully, keep your balance steady, and then sit back down slowly. Remember, slow and controlled movement is the key. All right, let us begin together. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You are doing great. Keep that posture upright. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Halfway there. Stay with me. Feel that strength building in your thighs and glutes. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Keep breathing and stay focused. You are doing wonderful. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. If you are doing this for the second or third time, your legs must already feel stronger. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. We are almost there. Keep pushing. Do not give up now. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Only 5 more to go. Stay steady and strong. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Excellent job, everyone. You have just completed 50 sit-to-stand repetitions. This exercise works your thighs, hips, and core, all essential muscles for keeping your balance and preventing falls. Take a deep breath and feel proud of what you have just achieved. Each repetition makes your legs stronger and your movements smoother. Remember, every day you practice this exercise, you are building the strength to move freely and confidently. Keep showing up, stay consistent, and your body will thank you. Exercise 3, heel raises, calf strengthening, 50 repetitions. All right, my wonderful seniors, it is time for our third and final exercise for today, heel raises, also known as calf strengthening exercise. This movement helps to improve your balance, strengthen your calf muscles, and keep your legs strong and steady. It also supports better walking stability and reduces the risk of falls. Please stand behind your chair and hold the backrest lightly for support. Keep your feet shoulder width apart and make sure your chair is stable. Now slowly lift your heels off the ground, standing tall on your toes. Hold this position for a second, then gently lower your heels back down. Keep your movement smooth and controlled, no rushing. Ready? Let us begin together and count from 1 to 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Keep going. You are building strength and balance. Stay steady and lift those heels proudly. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Halfway there now. Feel that gentle squeeze in your calves. That is your muscle working for you. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. You are doing amazing. Keep breathing in and out. Stay tall, stay strong. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Do not forget to share this video so your senior friends can join our 60-day challenge and stay active with you. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, just 10 more to go. You are doing fantastic. Keep those heels moving up and down. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, almost there. Only 5 left. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Wonderful job. You have completed 50 heel raises and your calf muscles are now stronger than ever. This exercise improves your circulation and balance, helping you stay light on your feet. Take a deep breath, smile, and give yourself a big round of applause. You have finished all 3 exercises for today. Keep showing up every day because every movement you make adds more power, confidence, and vitality to your life.